So how can you turn off the inverting feature of iPhone camera, right? So just turn invert off. Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, it is part of the settings application where you can see on the main page a dedicated section for camera, right? So you can see we have the camera in here, and the thing that you need to look for is the toggle for mirror front camera. It is part of the composition section, and it's just one toggle, but you need to decide whether or not you want the camera to behave like a mirror, or if you want it to show you like a regular photo, right? So just play around with the option, turn it on, take a selfie to see if you like that option, or turn it off if you had it, if you had the toggle green, right? So you can play around with it to see if that makes any difference, but this is most likely the thing that you had in mind, right? So outside of that, of course, there is the flipping of the camera between the front and rear one. Whenever you want to capture the photo or video, you can decide to use the front facing or rear facing, but that's kind of obvious, but it's used with this button right there. So let me know what you think about that below. Let me know if you managed to set it up for yourself the way that you need it. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope that I could help you with it. Most definitely subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next videos.